Hi, my name is Dr. Kerry Topouzian, and you're watching Ask Dr. T. Hi, I'm Dr. Kerry Topouzian, and you're watching Ask Dr. T. Hi, I'm Dr. Kerry Topouzian, and you're watching Ask Dr. T.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kerry Topouzian, and you're watching Ask Dr. T. Today's question is, how do I measure my biological age? Well, the short answer to that is you measure telomeres. Now, if you don't know what telomeres are, basically they're the end of our chromosomes. And what they are is they're a protective cap. Purpose is to, when our cells divide, they don't divide cleanly and they lose pieces. And telomeres on the end are supposed to correct this by adding in little pieces that we're missing. So the problem is we only have so many of these telomeres to go around, and eventually they get shorter and shorter, and when our cells divide, we can't fix them anymore. So at that point we start developing disease, hypertension, diabetes, different problems, cancer, and eventually we die. So the goal is to either stop or slow down telomere shortening, or to even, in some cases, increase the length of telomeres. About 30% of the population has the ability to increase their telomeres because they make an enzyme called telomerase. Now, what are some other things that are associated with telomere shortening? Well, the main thing is time. The longer we live, eventually our telomeres get shorter. And some of the things that I mentioned before, our diet, anything that's inflammatory, oxidative stress, obesity. In women, low estrogen levels will shorten telomeres. And believe it or not, marathon runners in general have shorter telomeres because of all the oxidative stress that they're going through. Now, what are some things that can slow down telomere shortening and increase the length? Well, a Paleolithic diet, anti-inflammatory diet, fasting, decrease in caloric intake, doesn't sound like much fun, and also replacing any nutritional aspects like vitamins and minerals that might be low, and also taking antioxidants. So as far as testing goes, what do you want to do exactly? There's two things that you want to test for. You want to see what nutrients that you're low in, what antioxidants, minerals you're low in, because these will all have a factor on your telomere length. And then the other thing you want to do is actually measure your telomeres. Well, there's two companies that I recommend using. One is called SpectraCell, and they do telomere testing and nutritional testing as well. And the other company I like using is Genova Diagnostics, and they also have an excellent nutritional test that they can provide to you. Now, both of these companies work through physicians, so you would have to contact your physician and request these tests be performed. And I'm going to put a link here in the video so that you can find this information as well. Any questions out there? Well, if you do have any questions, you can email me at askdrt@gmail.com. And or you can go to our website at ask4drt.com. My name is Dr. Kerry Topouzian, and you've been watching Ask Dr. T.